I just wanted to come here today and say, just enjoy yourself. You're making history today. There's never ever been another Grace Foundation Aroha Noa. The name of our Kapa Haka is Te Wakahuia. Te Wakahuia is like a little treasure box. And what our mum and dad told us when they started it is that every single person, you are a wakahuia. You have the mana of your tipuna. You have your own maunga, you have your own awa. You have all of your descendants, so your tamariki and mokopuna, and you have all of your ancestors, because we are all a wakahuia. We are unique, we all have mana. We all have ihi, we all have wehi and tapu. Every single one of us. We're waiting for you out there. No pressure, just enjoy. But I just wanted to thank you. I wanted to thank you from the bottom of our heart for coming, for picking up this kaupapa, and for training so hard. Some of you will say, who's that little lady and what does she know? And that's all good too. I'm just a little lady who loves you all. I believe in unconditional love. And whether you're ready to receive it or not, we're going to send it to you.
Yeah,